Hello everybody, welcome to my very first video on YouTube. I am so excited. I hope you like it. So, let's just dive in. Sorry. As you can see, this is a wedding album. I made this for my sister-in-law. It is 11.5 by 11.5 with a 2-inch spine. The paper that I used here is from Echo Park, Just Married. On the inside cover, I made a belly band. Oh, sorry, this envelope holds the invitations for the wedding. All the pages are built the same and open up to the side. These two also go up, revealing two big pockets with pre-cut photo mats that they can use if they choose to. And some extra ephemera and pocket cards to decorate with. I tried to keep the decorations to a minimum so they can give it their own twist. Oh, I almost forgot. All the pages are also big pockets with a large photo mat that I punched with a heart-shaped border punch, which you can also see throughout the album. These two pages have smaller flaps of 7.5 by 5.5, and they overlap just a little bit, but they are large enough for a 6x4 photo. I just keep forgetting how to put them back again. And on the last page, I made a pull-out waterfall. This waterfall holds 7 6x4 photos. I chose not to mat this, so it will keep going fluently as soon as the pictures are in. And the closure is magnetized so it snaps into place. The front I decorated with some simple white flowers. You can put a picture in the frame here. I just put a card in. And I used some nice ephemera to finish it off. Here are some close-ups that I made. If you liked this video, then please click the like button below. It will be a big help to me. If you'd like to see more of me and want to be notified when I put up a new video, then click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and until the next time.